everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Meg if you're new here, and today I just wanted to come on and film a really short, quick little video to show you how I've just wrapped my partner's birthday presents. So it's all entirely zero waste, plastic free and repurposed packaging or wrapping. So I just really wanted to come on and show you how I did this and hopefully maybe give you some ideas for your own inspiration. And yeah, so just getting the little presents out here now to show you. Apologies if the filming is a little bit shaky. I don't usually record my videos kind of manually by hand like this, so I hope it doesn't give you too much of a headache. But yes, this is all repurposed brown paper and packaging, and so in this one here I've got some arganol in a glass bottle for him for his face or his beard. Repurposed, like I say, padding from any parcels we've received, and then this is a little glass bottle, roller bottle of essential oil blend for muscle and ache joints and pains and things like that. So again, repurposed packaging. I'm not entirely sure where it came from, but always save everything. And then this is a plastic-free deodorant. It comes in cardboard from a brand that I've mentioned in the previous video called Sense. I absolutely love them and I use the same one, so that's his new deodorant in there. And then over here is a photo album that he wanted to put in memories of his family, and yeah, again, brown paper that's been repurposed from deliveries that we've had or that's been used to pad out parcels. And then this is just some cotton clothing for the summer for him. Not the prettiest job, but yeah, and this is the brown paper bag that I don't remember whether this was from a food delivery or from some shopping that we got, but I always save everything and I find it really cute. I love the brown craft look. I find it really rustic. And then over here, this might seem a little bit odd to some people, but this is actually a cutout of a Pucker herbal tea cardboard box, and they print like these little kind of Zen quotes on the inside of all their boxes, and I cut them out and repurposed this little wooden heart that I stuck on it from, I don't know, crafts, I think from a couple of years ago, that I repurposed, and a little message for him. This might seem, I don't know, odd to some people, I guess, because it's not a proper, you know, generic birthday card, but I think the sentimental value is what matters, and the thought that counts. Oh, sorry about that. I was trying to give you a better aerial view of the presents, actually made it worse. But yeah, so this is just how I repurpose everything. We save all our brown paper bags and any paper packaging, also plastic packaging, but obviously I find the look of the brown kind of paper packaging a lot more attractive, and I reuse rubber bands from kind of parcel deliveries and all sorts. I'm not entirely sure where it all comes from, but it gets saved over time. And like I say, not the neatest job ever, but I think that it's really quite amazing that it's all free and, you know, low impact, and I think it's quite cute. It might seem a little bit random to some people, but I just wanted to come on and show you how I've even repurposed these little ties and elastic bands from random places. So yeah, I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching.